New, connectors, grounds, and splices are now searchable. We've made improvements here that technicians will appreciate, providing more useful data with less effort. Because connectors, grounds, and splices behave more like components now, users will be able to search for these directly using OneSearch Plus. Just enter it and watch ProDemand quickly return component location and other useful information. New, intelligent direct linking between wiring diagrams. Our goal is to bring technicians to the specific wiring diagram with the component and traces for it already highlighted. Most diagrams have redirects to another diagram in the same set, or sometimes a diagram that is part of a different diagram set that provides a better view for the technician's inquiry. There are two ways within wiring diagrams where we refer users to access different diagrams. Triangles suggest another diagram within the same set that has a better view of the trace. Arrowheads at the end of the trace indicate that trace is better served by a diagram within another set. There's a splice in diagram 1 of 7 that would be better viewed in diagram 5 of 7 in the same set. You'd need to click the right arrow page button to navigate to that 5th diagram in the set and then click on the component to highlight its trace. That's 5 clicks to get to the suggested wiring diagram and get the trace highlighted. New, shortcut. Now users can jump directly from a wiring diagram to another in the same category with the trace already highlighted. Once a jump has been taken to another diagram in the same set, users can click on History to easily toggle between the diagrams. So now it's just a single click to get there and a single click to switch back if you need to. When users were directed to view a wiring diagram within a different system category, it took 3 to 5 clicks and some scrolling to get to it. Back out of this diagram, remember that category name, then looking through those to find the specified diagram. You also needed to manually click the component to highlight the traces. Then 2 clicks and some more scrolls to get back to the original diagram if needed. New shortcut. While it's been possible to get from one wiring diagram to another in a different category in the past, the multiple steps required made it tedious and time-consuming. Until now. Just click on the jump reference in the current wiring diagram and then be immediately delivered to the related wiring diagram in the different category with traces already highlighted. New, wiring diagram history. We store a list of the last 10 wiring diagrams visited. A user can quickly revisit any of those previous diagrams by simply clicking on the diagram title in that drop-down list.